Hello there, Tech Explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting guide for you. We'll be showing you how to download the iOS 17 beta. If you're eager to get your hands on the latest features before everyone else, you're in the right place. Before diving into the beta world, it's essential to safeguard your data. Back up your device using iCloud or iTunes. This way, you'll have a safety net in case anything unexpected happens. Also, let's make sure your device is eligible for the iOS 17 beta program. Apple sometimes limits beta updates to newer devices, so double-check if your device is compatible. These are the devices compatible with iOS 17. So make sure your device comes under this. To begin, you'll need to download iOS 17 beta profile. For that, I'll be giving the beta profiles link in the description. You can download it right from there, which also includes iPad OS 17. So tap on the link. Go for Allow. Then close it and go back to Settings. Here you'll see Profile downloaded. Tap on it. Go for Install. Prompt with Install. Tap on Not Now. And go back to Settings. Then General. Software Updates. And here you'll see the iOS 17 beta update for you. You can download and install iOS 17 beta right from here. Also, some might have option for beta updates. In that case, change beta updates to iOS 17 public beta. Now you can download and install right from here. Remember, beta software can be buggy at times, so be patient and expect some hiccups. If things get too rough, you can always revert to the stable iOS version by uninstalling the beta profile and restoring from your backup. And that's a wrap, folks. You now know how to download the iOS 17 beta and embark on a journey of discovery. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.